What is up, you guys? It's ECP. I'm pretty sure that you saw my other videos from Florida. I supported my friend Anna, who is competing in Miss Florida USA 2018. So I had to support her in her photo shoot and the whole interview thing, and of course her pageant too. So good luck to you, Anna. Hope everything works out for you. Mwah. On another note, I had to come back to Jersey. When I came back to Jersey, I saw a package waiting for me, and of course I was like, what the heck did I order? I don't really order anything that much anymore. But then when I saw who's it from, I was like, oh, okay, now I remember. And so normally I don't buy a lot of stuff, but this one particular thing I had to buy because I knew it was going to be limited stock or it's going to get sold out or whatnot, and a lot of people were going to get it. So I was like, you know what, I haven't bought anything lately, so I was like, let me cop this joint right here. So I have the box with me, and I was shaking it. I was like, huh, this is interesting. So let's get to the unboxing, alright? Now this is what I got. Bam! Yep, I had to get Gary Vaynerchuk's K-Swiss Classic sneakers. So get the whole signature going on here, which is really cool. So take it out. Oh, this is really nice. They got the clouds going on right there, so that's really cool. Even the wrapper, it's pretty insane. Even the wrapper. And this, my friends, is what it looks like. The clouds and the dirt. I definitely like the blue and the brown stripes going on. You got the K-Swiss in the back too, which is really nice. Let's see, let me take that out. This right here for a minute. So underneath, you got the clouds. For those who may or may not know, the clouds is like what you aspire to be, whether you have a full-time job already and you want to be that doctor, lawyer, engineer, or that artist, or that rapper. Like you have to work in order to get there. So you got the clouds right there. The clouds is what you aspire to be, of course, and that high. So that's pretty cool, and you got the signature right there too, which is really cool as well. And of course, you got the clouds. So that's really cool. And then you got the other half too. Oh, this is pretty interesting. So GaryVee's signature is in brown font, which is really cool. I didn't notice that actually. Then you got the dirt. And then you got the dirt underneath too. So the dirt represents your hard work, your grind, like putting your head down and start grinding it out, hustling, and start working 5 days a week, 7 days a week, of course, and producing as much content as possible, or yeah, pretty much. And you could be grinding for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10, 20 years. The dirt is your pain of what you're trying to accomplish. And so when you have the dirt right there, that's your hustle and your grind. So from where you are now to where you are now is your dirt. That's the dirt right there. And then where you want to be is the clouds. So that's a whole philosophy about it. So these are really awesome. Can't wait to wear these. Oh, another thing too is, I think this is really cool too. You have the work, the grind, and the hustle underneath. So right there, if you can see that. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail really quick too. So that's really cool actually. I like that a lot. So if you haven't copped a pair of these, you definitely should. They sell out really fast too. I was surprised that I got them actually, like pretty fast. I got them in Foot Locker or Foot Action. You can also get it on GaryVee's website too. But yeah, the K-Swiss classic sneakers. GaryVee collaborated with K-Swiss, and this is what they cooked up in the kitchen. So it's really cool. So if you haven't got it yet, get them. It's really cool. And this video will be posted too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, do whatever you gotta do. Stay tuned for the next video, alright? I'll see ya.